This is Shanna from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Payments lets you accept all sorts of payments from your customers, including cards, ACH, Apple Pay, PayPal, and Venmo. You can add online payment options to an invoice, send customers a payment link for simple payment requests, or take payments with a card reader. QuickBooks processes the payment and records the transaction for you all at once. Let's go over how to sign up for payments and how you can get your funds faster at no extra cost by adding QuickBooks Checking. Then, where to manage your settings and add services like instant deposit and payments dispute protection. To start, go to Settings, Account and Settings, and then the Payments tab. You might see other places around QuickBooks where you can sign up for payments as well, but you can always find it here. Select Learn More to sign up. If you have a merchant account with Intuit and want to connect it to a new account, you can do that here. Enter info about your business and the owner. If you've added this info already in QuickBooks, you'll just need to confirm it here. Note only the primary admin of your QuickBooks account can apply for payments. Next, decide where you want your payment deposits to go. If you've already connected your bank to QuickBooks, you'll see that here, and you'll just need to verify it. You can also connect a bank account by following the instructions here. Or you can sign up for a QuickBooks Checking account, which offers instant deposit at no extra cost if you want to get paid right away. You can read about the benefits here. We'll select QuickBooks Checking for this example. Select it and add the name you want on your debit card. If you have co-owners, check this box. When you're finished, select Save and then Let's Go. You'll get an email from QuickBooks letting you know when you're approved. It usually happens within 1 to 3 days. Once you've been approved, go back to the Payments tab. This is where you can manage your payments settings anytime and change any info if you have to. If you want to sign up for instant deposit, you can do that here. And if you want to turn on payments dispute protection to protect your company from chargebacks, you can turn that on here. If you want help with how to use QuickBooks Payments, there are videos at the end of this one to show you how. That's it. Now you're ready to set up QuickBooks Payments and start managing your payments all in one place.